What's going on, you guys? This is a Max Kid here, another HP Compaq Elite 8300. This is the small form factor. Gonna be upgrades for gaming. So what I'll do is I'm gonna switch to the other side. So guys, I'll be using the GeForce, the Gigabyte, the GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. This is the low profile, and you have to be using a low profile bracket. And because it comes with both brackets, full height, and you have to change the bracket to the low profile. You gotta remove the 3 screws here with 3 in the bottom and 2 in the top to change it to the low profile bracket you have to install. So what we'll do is remove the little latch. You press it up like this, and we're going to be installing the video card through PCI Express times 16 slot right here, the black one. The white one is PCI Express times 4 slot right here. So you can install through the black one. So you can move the PCI brackets, remove 2 of them. I'm going to switch it like this. So the video card is installed. Now I'll lift up this off of the optical drive and the power supply. I'm going to change the memory to 16 gigs. It's DDR3, and I'm going to be using I'll be using a Crucial brand. It's pretty good. Install the memory properly, you will see here 2 clicks. So total 16 gigs of memory, dual channel. Now I'm going to show you guys remove the 3.5 inch hard drive. So you press this down with your finger and it slides to the right. You're going to disconnect the SATA power cable. I'm using it's a Torx. There's a T15 screwdriver. And I'm going to be using the hard drive caddy, the plastic one. They sell this online. It's from 3.5 inch to 2.5 inch. You can use this for hard drive and a solid state drive. I'm going to show you guys. So here's a 2.5 inch solid state drive, and you can install it like this. And I'm using the 850 Pro Series Samsung 256. Actually, yeah, they're pretty good. So I'll install like this, and you can install on the top. There's a two 2.5 inch laptop hard drive like this in the top. So the main boot drive for the Windows 10 will be solid state drive, and for the storage will be hard drive. And they're both 2.5 inch. So I'm gonna put the screws on it. If you guys don't like the Samsung, then you can use the Intel Pro series are really good. I like it also. The solid state drives are, this is a 512 gigs. They're kind of expensive, same as the Samsung. So what I will do is I need a Phillips head screwdriver. Still on the bottom like this. So that's installed. Now will be the last one, the hard drive. Now it's installed. Now I have to connect the, you will need an extra SATA cable, and the main the SATA port, the blue one is be the SATA 1, SATA 0. That's the main boot drive. You're going to connect to the solid state drive for the Windows 10, and for the storage for the hard drive you're going to like this, and you're just gonna plug in right here the white SATA port to the motherboard. Now what you have to do is take again the screws for the hard drive and install them to the caddy. They're gonna plug in the power. So basically what it's doing is it's using two SATA here. So what we're gonna do is, I'm seeing, it's gonna have to get a splitter cable, Y splitter cable to use it. So you have to buy the Y splitter cable, and what that will allow you to do is you can probably install another 3.5 inch in here if you want for extra storage. I'm going to use this instead. I'm just going to plug it in. Let's see, so the 3.5 inch hard drive we will be able to install perfectly fine in here. you just have to mount the screws in and get a extra SATA cable plug into the motherboard so you can have extra storage. That'll be great. I'm gonna plug this back in, the optical drive. I'm going to close the side cover panel and show you guys the back. I'm going to, hold on, I forgot to, here's the PCI bracket, it's coming off, so I have to put it back in like this, close it back. So when you're doing clean install Windows, then you're going to plug in your monitor either through DVI or HDMI port through the video card. So you guys, this will be the end of the video. This is for the gaming. Thanks for watching. Bye.